Land of gold to soothe my soul, where kings and queens sits on their throne. For so long I've been suppressed and consumed by the jaws of sorrows.
Never live to see what I'm seeing now.
Mama kwa badum be Nyansapo kasam fanyi Nyansapo no agye so am say yesane ne badum ba ekwan so sambe say remensa bonkum ani ni fa so amenya ewura no mienu bi a me no mo ebebo nkomo no ebe yetiawa ne be de ye pese yehu wo mu din ba bi wo mu free na afedie nti a ene wo mu ebeka asante man ho na wo mu ne asante wura asante mewura ne oti okrowie okrawie eno obrawie ngoma so otumfo say tutu raise the power to one ne become any asanteman ne adi Akwasidae no enu nti ne enu ombedi nkomo nti ka no na ye nkomo makwa aba na afi ye nhye nkomo hwehwe no ase ewo honom. So you are welcome to Nyansapo TV.
Well, welcome, blessings, man. It's a pleasure to be here, you know. Bless every time. One love coming from Jamaica, you know. Seeing?
Okay. I will be back. Hello, welcome to Nyansapo TV.
Yeah, man, welcome back a yard. Original yard Ghana from Jamaica. I'm in Ghana, if you like, I'm in Jamaica. Okay. One love, man.
I was never eat too. Many an ankapato and meet me a cabin, so my pato and the metia waga, asa, Yakan, I mean to me, cabin. And so you ever bought common and Yasha say, I've heard you are a musician.
Yeah, I'm a singer.
Is it true?
Yes, I'm a singer, man. A reggae singer from Jamaica, you know. I'm here doing a tour in Ghana, you know. Came back home, the homecoming tour. You understand? Because, you know, our ancestors lead back here. You know, all Jamaicans are from Ghana. You know, so I'm doing a tour here with the beautiful Sintarium and goodies. And I'll be performing around town, many places you will see me perform. I'll be on Afro-cello, Afro-future. Yeah, and you know, so my name is Hezron. And
your name again?
Hezron, Hezron.
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 They like the Bible, like in the Bible, you know. Okay. You understand? And the album is called Man on a Mission. The tour is called the Homecoming Man on a Mission tour.
Okay. So how did you find out that your ancestors are from this part of Ghana?
Yeah, from the moment we were a child. It's like a cultural thing, you know. We were from in Jamaica. Okay. That we are from West Africa. We are from Ghana. It's almost like almost every Jamaican, you know, and all that stuff. So one of my family members that did a trace, and we see that we have Ghana, you know, Ghana blood is strong in there. So we just connected. We connect to what we have always known. You understand? I'm a Maroon. He's a Maroon.
Jamaicans are from Ghana. So why not other part of Ghana, but Ashanti region that you decided to come?
Ashanti because I'm a Maroon. Ashanti. I'm a Maroon from Jamaica. And I heard that Nanny was from Ashanti. Yeah, so that's the same lineage. So that's why I've learned since I was a child. And I said, well, I'm from the Maroon town. And Nanny is a Maroon. And the Ashanti, I've always heard about the Ashanti tribe. So I said, well,
I've heard some DNA tests have been already performed. And that's why you notice that you are from this part of Ghana. Is it true?
Yes, my family, yeah. One of my family members performed it. Yeah, so that's how we know. That's it was from it. So and then we connect the dots together. Because we have always heard it, you know. But we heard it. One of my family members, and you know, it came out that I'm a Ghanaian, you know, and all that stuff. So.
Okay. I'll be back to you again. Hello, boss. Welcome once again. So your brother is a musician. What about you?
He's my nephew.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Music in the blood.
Okay.
We all are musicians as African. Okay. That's what we used to express. Our love, trying to unite each and every one with word. Because word is life and word is power. Okay. So music is you, music is I, everyone.
Okay. So why didn't you come any other day than today? That is Akwasidae, a festival performed by the Ashanti region, His Royal Majesty King Otumfuo Setutu. Why today?
And sometimes you move not of yourself, you know, the spirit dwell within you. A good man's step is ordered by him. And everything in life is for a reason. So this is the day we should be here, but each and every one can see what Jamaican is like, because we feel the pressure down there by forcing us to be a slave, go on their plantation down there. And it's so hard for us to come back here in Ghana, Accra, Africa, where we are from. So a good man's step is ordered by him. And he's a great musician with words, sounds, and power for you people to learn the message what he has to offer.
So how do you see Ashanti Kingdom?
Ashanti?
Kingdom, the kingdom itself. How do you see it?
Behold how good and how pleasant it is, for us to dwell together in unity as one family. Because they try to divide us with religions, politicians, denomination. So when we all can come together as one, singing the same song, it's a blessed moment.
Way back to Jamaica, do you hear the kingdom of Ashanti?
Well, back in Jamaica, they try to hide things from us. But we have guys who travel here, radio station, Muta Baruka. You have some great guys in Jamaica that try to us to have a listen here what's going back or what's going on in Africa. Because they try to portray the negative things.
What is your name?
Well, they gave me an English name,
Your English name?
You want to hear my English?
Call it, let me.
Yeah, they call me Clive Perry.
Clive Belly.
Perry.
Perry. Clive Perry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I just got my name.
Kwabena.
Yeah.
Mention it, let me see.
Kwabena.
Yeah, exactly. Kwabena, we'll be back to you once again. So, please, come closer. Yeah. How do you see the Ashanti Kingdom?
Well, I'm right now here just observing everything, to hear about it. And from a child, just because, we live in the West. And all we can hear about is that we are from the Ashanti tribe. To actually come here now is a feeling that I'm just observing everything. I'm looking around, to look at my people, to look at myself, to look from where it's at, is a touching,
Okay, so far, have you gotten the opportunity to greet the king himself?
No, not yet, but I'm hoping, I'm waiting, I'm looking for my name change, Okay. Yes, I want my name.
So you are still waiting to greet the king himself?
I'm waiting until as long as it takes, to greet the king himself.
Your brother got his Ashanti name, that is Kwabena. How about you?
Kwame, Saturday.
Kwame.
Saturday. Yeah.
So mention it again.
Kwame,
Okay.
Hezron Kwame.
So you are waiting for the king to add another name to it?
Another name, yeah, the last name. I want my name.
Since you said you're a musician, can you give me one or two lines a cappella? Can you?
Okay. Any song? I want to go back to my home, where I rightfully own. Land of gold to soothe my soul, where kings and queens sits on their throne. For so long I've been suppressed and consumed by the jaws of sorrows, been baked and burnt in the furnace of nightmares and arrows. I want to come back home.
Wonderful, powerful voice. Thanks for having you. So, Kwame, thanks for having you. Kwabena, Mr. Medasepa, eti oba echi awati ane medase no. So, Kwabena, how about you? What about you? Your brother Kwame can speak little Chi. So, what about you?
Speak what?
Chi. The Ashanti language.
Oh, me just come. I learn it. I don't know about it yet. I know about the one where them teach you, but me surely gonna learn it.
So far, what have you learned?
Me?
Yeah, the language.
Something I can never pronounce it.
To say
so much. So much.
Kwabena de ni twi ne nye. Kwabena twi ne nye. I think say Kwame better eche Kwabena nti ma me ne Kwame enwie kura na afi yemfa ensia no yenso. Kwame, now say you said you have learned little Twi, isn't it?
Yes, a little.
Some of them are.
It is a Kafra, Akwaba, Medamasi, Medasi, and Nananum.
So your social media handles?
Yes, I am Hezron. IAM Hezron. IAMHEZRON. And IG, that's Instagram. Same thing on Twitter, IAMHEZRON. Hezron Clark on Facebook, HEZRONCLARKE. And TikTok, I am Hezron. So.
Kwame, thank you. Kwabena, thank you for having you. Abusia, yene Kwame, ene Kwabena, ena ebon komo we Nyansapo kasamfonyi. The tintin ni tiawa ne se one mo a find out. And I say omo hu se omo ye Ghana for, nenye Ghana for keke, omo ye Asante for. Ade a friend say DNA. The omokoye nhwemu mu obi hu nenchi ene ba bia ofri no omaye bi ade de amomo free na de na ogina mensa bonkum so ha no wono ne friend Kwame oye musician enti ni social handles names na ode atu dwa e wo hono no ena Kwabran so ono de wo se afi na waba osua ne nkakra nkakra enti omo twen se wo bekwa akohia opem so ankasa na afi wode other names ni bi e de aka wo mo ai
Ira jame example kan bi we tell me irati Eye ekuru a omo ye nwom ewo Ghana ha from Buddhist Music International. Omo na akofa agbanti a ogina ha e friend Hezron back. Oto nwom ewo Jamaican man. Grammy Awards no ni ade na wajibie. Na 788 a. Wo ye wo say wahwehwem. O ka ne ye ne be bia o se ofri Asante. Eti event bi agroni kan say ancestral trace or trace ya me so Ghana na Ghana na ofri no so no ofri ba bia sa Asante na de o tin say o ya Asante ni pe ewura ba bia o be ko bia o hwe ewura na mo tuo bia o ye bia o bia sim na agranti bia event Hezron dragi o hwa awudi echi ene o say e pan bia so o beba no ba ni ra ho na ya ye de gave up who say oya wono remeda edin a ye de to no I say wo hu aye Kwame na dia wo say you ready say o Kwame ne de wafa enti ye ra na roma o mpedi o de be so Kwame ni so no ron fa ni do one say ne fata ene police fuyi ene ne pani fuyi na de na ba o na ba be jina yi na o mo ba se mo ni ra ba be dia de no ma ne sa akwa omo by omo chance pentum yensa amba
for embracing me and welcoming me to my homeland, the motherland. I mean, many of my elders, my teachers, my leaders, brothers and sisters, mother, father, great man, and freedom fighters never lived to see what I'm seeing now. And they have fought, cried, died. I'm bled for this moment. I'm honored to be here. Thank you for welcoming me. Thank you. I'm proud of the king. I'm proud of the king. May that, and I know may that mercy.
Asante ahiniye ifri odman kuma ho Asante sikadwa fri nyame so Asante ahiniye ifri odman kuma ho wotena sikadwa so nyame hyehyira wo kyere so a wo hyira ma no bro so na ne nyame hyehyira no na ne otumfo Asante nyine kotoko nyine wo nyame hyehyira no na ne wo nyame hyehyira no na ne ode shepre ko dansa so na ne Asante nyine wo nyame hyehyira no fo mesio kyirime woni me ya na ekyiri wo ba bia sio dan me woni me ya na dan wo aya akukọ bie me ne dofo aya akukọ bie me ne dofo agro na nsa me nche ne obosomrafo ani chiebekume obosomrafo ani chiebekume yo mae ye ni chiebekume ye ni chiebekume yo catch any chiebekume yo
like I said, we have one of our foreigners here and we want to interview him to know where he's coming from and why he is here. So let's go. Said the mechanic, Abrafuni Bebriaba, and you about any bedding common here, baby, you free any saint here or my brother. Welcome to Nyansapo TV.
Thank you. Hello. Thank you for having me.
How are you doing?
I'm great. I've been here for a long time, so I'm just happy to see everything going on. Looks awesome.
So where are you from and what's your name?
I'm from Canada. My name is Jonathan, and I live in Accra right now. Yeah.
So why are you here right now?
Well, we came to Kumasi for Akwasidae to see it. We'd heard it was super cool, and so we were interested in coming and seeing it.
So you purposely came here because of this Akwasidae?
Yeah. We came. Yeah.
You don't stay in Ghana?
I stay in Accra.
Accra?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
At University of Ghana.
University of Ghana?
Yeah.
Which course?
International Relations.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So, what do you understand Ashanti culture?
I don't understand too much. We just got to Kumasi, so we haven't spent too much time, but we're going to be doing some more research about Ashanti culture.
So, is that part of your academics work in Ghana?
No, this is just out of interest. Just out of interest, coming to see.
Interest in it, and you came to witness it.
Yeah. Came to check out Akwasidae. Yeah.
Thank you. My brother said he's from University of Ghana, isn't it?
Yeah.
University of Ghana, Accra. She stays in Accra. Now Obaha, because of Akwasidae Ninti, and now Obaha say Obaha ready Ekoso. Benya 1 or 2 billion Gusunia no medical. My brother Jonathan, thank you for having me.
Thank you for having me.
Mamunyambo and the shower, Jahan, Midi, and the Abusia Penny also at June.